Hello, everyone. My name is Caden Ferris. I'm the CEO and co-founder of GovSight. And today I wanted to go over one of our flagship products, which is our position-based budgeting. Many studies show that over around 60 to 70% of all budgets made by cities are salaries and wages. Salaries and wages constitute the majority of everyone's budget. But what if there were a better way to do it? What if there were a better way to predict how much a position is going to cost? Or when we need to hire an assistant finance director, how much is that going to cost us? Can we afford that? Do we have the budget for that? There are so many of these questions that are happening. How many umpires can we hire? How many lifeguards do we need for the city pool? How many can we hire? Does our budget allow this? All of these questions are questions that city managers constantly are asking themselves. City managers and city councils, city finance directors, and they're very logical questions. So at GovSight, we have built a position-based budgeting software built in with using the power of artificial intelligence and integrating directly into your data. So we got an enhanced version here that's got our production sheet. You can use sandbox sheets. You can use different things like that to be able to play with things. Let's say maybe we don't want to actually budget for a finance director yet, but I just want to see if we could, and then we can send it to the city council for approval. I want to see if we can hire another accountant. So here you have all of these options. This is our production sheet, but if you want to, you can add a position, you can calculate things, you can do split allocation. Let's say the finance director or the new position is going to be an accountant, and they're going to be in finance, but they're also going to work as a consultant or something of the fire department, different things like that. So you can split positions across funds and across departments like that, like whatever you need. And so let's say we're hiring, do we need another police officer? This is all of our current police officers. If you see here, we've got so many employees in the city, but when you sort by police officer, filters all of the existing ones. Or we can use a vacant position if we want to just leave it empty and we want to put in the department police, but we can do, what's our salary base rate? Let's say $45,000. That's $450,000. Benefit package, full-time union, full-time non-union, part-time. Let's say they're a full-time union. We want to hire that. We'll set up our GL accounts. That's all put in by the admin, 100,000. So they're going to actually cost us $61,942. That's how much a police officer, full-time union there. So you can just kind of play around with these things. And then once you're ready with the budget, you can import all of your positions, all of your existing positions, and maybe a couple new ones that you want to add, and just leave the new ones vacant. Right here, you can change your status vacant, filled, or frozen if maybe you're not going to use a position, and it won't import that position. So let's say you import your 150 employees, you set everything up, then down here it's going to give you your insights. Here's what your total budget is, how many vacant positions out of your total positions, and how many are grant funded. And let's say you get a wages grant for police officers, which those are available, that you can find through artificial intelligence. That's going to search the United States grant website, connect you with those, get you to the correct websites and things like that. And that's also part of our Mantis and Project Planner. But you can do the same thing in here. And then you can also look at position history, different things. We haven't done it. I haven't changed anything yet, so it's not in there. Union contract, department comparison, and you can export it all if you like. So once you click, when you're ready here, then you can select it. You can copy those. There's so much you can do with these filters and everything, because our goal is to help cities be able to budget and have more money left over, essentially, to improve, to help innovate and everything like that. So if this interests you, if you're looking for a position-based budgeting software that can do so much more than position-based budgeting, then visit us at govsight.net and you can set up a demo there. Thank you.